Tired of lugging around a bulky laptop just to create PDFs? Don't worry, in this video, we're going to unlock the secrets of how to create PDF files directly on your Android phone easily. First, we will explore one simple way of creating a PDF. Open your file manager, then locate and tap on the document you want to convert. Look for the share button. This is usually represented by 3 dots connected by lines. Then, look at the various ways you can share the file. You may already have a Save as PDF option. Especially if you have Google Docs or Microsoft Office apps installed, simply tap the Save as PDF option. Choose your preferred save location and tap Save. Brilliant. A few simple taps and you are done. Now, let's explore the more advanced methods if your document doesn't have a built-in PDF converter. The next best option is to open the Play Store and search for PDF converter apps. Many free options are available right there, like Adobe Acrobat Reader or PDF Converter. Once you download the app of your choice, open it. Follow the app's specific instructions to import your document. These apps often support converting images, documents, and even web pages into PDF files. Finally, the last method, if you have an image you want to convert to a PDF, or if you just don't want to download an app, online PDF converters are your best friend. Open any web browser on your Android phone and search online PDF converter websites like iLoveIt or Smolp allow you to upload your document. Then, choose your preferences and hit convert. Then, download your new PDF file and share it. Now you know, creating PDFs on your Android phone is super easy. You can now create and share files anywhere, anytime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.